Well, this is the stack of the four little Ridgway Saraband cereal bowls, we're calling these. You can see they've got the sloping sides, no flat rims, and let's just show you one of these in relief. Classic Saraband central floral pattern, turquoise rims with double-edged gilt lineage. These are used and in vintage condition. You can see it's not actually a chip, it's where the gilt hasn't been applied properly on them, but there are a few little marks and stains on the purple banding on these, so they're not in mint condition. They're definitely used vintage. Nice period Ridgway china marks on the base. You can see just how bright that glaze is on the bottom. Saraband is the pattern, Ridgway the manufacturer, 1940s, 1950s, so they're pretty old, these. And nice floral spring-like china. We've got four of these. They stack nicely. Gilt retention on them's pretty good. Just a little bit of wear around the rims, as you can see here, where they've taken a few knocks over the years. But by and large, these are in fine condition considering their age. Consider quite a bit of Sarabands on catalogue at the moment. We did buy this auction lot at short notice really and listed them, and some good things have come out of it, including a lot of flatware. So if you're looking for a pretty spring display with some nice floral decoration on it in this light turquoise colour, which is quite unusual in China to find a good set of flatware for spring display, then Saraband may be of interest to you. Follow the link description below. It'll take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these little cereal bowls are going on sale.